Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to add or to make a team in Microsoft Teams desktop application. So the first thing that you will need you to do now is to open your Microsoft desktop clients and connect with your either Outlook or Teams account, and then follow the simple steps. So after you connect to your account using the Microsoft Teams desktop application, you will need now to go to the Teams section or to the Teams page or view so we can add a team. So basically you will find it here in the navigation tab or here, and you will search for Teams and click on it, and basically you will find this view. Here there is the Teams list, and basically we will need to click on the join or create a team so we can add a new team here in our Teams list. So after we click on it, we will find this page or this view. We will click on create team, and then you will choose the type of your team. Either it was for educator working group or school administration and development. So basically let's just add a class team, and the first thing that you will need to do is, and the most important or the required thing, is to add a name. So let's just name it, for example, class A, and then you can add a description if you want. Otherwise, just click on next. You can have here the ability, or here where you can invite people. So you can just search for your contacts here of Teams contacts and search for it for the people. So either you can have the names, and you can add the teachers. For example, I can assign myself as teacher, or just search for your email, etc. After that, you need to click on add and click add so you can add people, or you can just skip this for the moment, and then you can add members to your team later. And now you will be able to do many things with your team while you are an organizer. The first thing is being able to start meetings, post things, new conversation. You can edit the channel notification. You can edit the permission of the channels, the teams, etc., and many other features. So basically that was the method or the way to create or make a team in Microsoft Teams desktop application. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.